Milo, pack your backpack. Today we're traveling again with the magic amulet.
Yay! Where are we going this time? To a volcano? Or the moon?
Almost. We're traveling to the world of books.
Huh? The world of books? But they're just pages with letters on them.
Oh, Milo, books are so much more than that. Come on, take my hand. Let's activate the amulet.
Wow, books everywhere. Big ones, small ones, thick ones, thin ones, and they're even flying in the air.
See? Books are magical doors to other worlds. With them, you can go on adventures, learn about dinosaurs, pirates, or faraway lands, all without packing a suitcase.
So books are like secret treasure maps for the brain.
Exactly. They make you smarter by giving you new knowledge, and they help you speak better and tell great stories.
And if I can tell more stories, my friends will listen to me more.
That's right. Plus, books train your brain like an exercise for your mind.
Ha! Then I'll have a super strong brain.
And the best part, books are fun. Funny stories make you laugh. Exciting stories keep you on the edge of your seat. And sometimes, you even learn something about yourself.
Then I want to read a book right now. Maybe about a smart lemur named Milo?
Great idea, my curious friend. Kids, take care of yourselves and stay curious.